I have here some 3D printer carbon fiber filament. I'm going to go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at it and talk about some of the features and how to use it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and break the seal on this. Carbon fiber filament is extremely temperamental when it comes to moisture, so when you're done using it or you're not using it, make sure it is sealed with desiccants inside as well. And it does have a desiccant in here. Let's take this all the way out and have a look. So here on the side of the spool, it's got some details. This is 1.75 millimeter diameter with a tolerance of 0.05. This is also 1 kilogram, and the recommended printing temperature is going to be basically standard PLA of 195 to 220 degrees Celsius. Because this is PLA based, this is going to be compatible with 99% of the FDM printers currently on the market. So one nice thing about this carbon fiber filament is it's going to have a lot more strength than just standard PLA. So you can use this for machine style parts that you need the extra strength and rigidity that this is going to offer. So here I unhooked the filament so we can have a look at it. One thing to keep in mind as well when you're using this is you don't want to just use a standard brass nozzle. You're going to want to get an abrasive resistant nozzle such as stainless steel, because this is more abrasive and it will very quickly wear down and ruin a brass nozzle. So this 3D printer carbon fiber filament is super nice. This is going to be really handy for those extra heavy duty parts that you need to print, and it has a really nice satin matte finish as well, and it's got the carbon fiber look and color to it. So I'd recommend this to anybody that has a 3D printer and wants to add a nice high quality carbon fiber filament to use with it.